Small goal that can change your life. Real English talk. What if I told you your life could completely change because of one tiny habit?
Wait, tiny? Like drink more water tiny?
Smaller.
Smaller than drinking water? That sounds impossible.
No, seriously. Something so small, most people ignore it.
Okay, now I'm curious.
And the crazy part, this one small goal can improve your English, confidence, discipline, and even your happiness.
Wow, that sounds like one of those motivational videos where somebody wakes up at 4 a.m. and starts running on mountains.
No mountains today, Paul.
Thank goodness.
This is real life. Simple, easy, human.
Okay, if you've ever felt lazy, stuck, unmotivated, or like your life is not moving forward,
This conversation is for you.
intro.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast where you improve your English naturally through real conversations.
No boring grammar lectures.
No difficult textbook English.
And no robot voices saying, repeat after me. Where is the library?
Exactly. Just real English, real emotions, real life.
So grab your coffee
Your tea.
or your emergency snack,
Paul, why do you always have snacks?
because learning English burns calories.
That is scientifically false.
Emotionally true.
Before we start, subscribe to the channel if you want to improve your English every day in a relaxing and fun way.
And today's topic is honestly powerful.
We're talking about small goals,
Tiny goals.
life-changing goals.
Section 1. Why big goals fail.
Okay, Paul, let me ask you something.
Uh-oh.
Have you ever made a huge life plan?
Every January.
And what happened?
By February, I was eating chips in bed watching conspiracy videos about aliens.
See? That's normal.
Wait, really?
Yes, most people fail because their goals are too big.
Oh, wow.
People say things like, I will study English 5 hours every day. I will wake up at 5 a.m. I will change my entire life this month.
And then your brain says,
No,
exactly.
your brain gets scared
Mine gets tired just reading the goal.
because big goals feel heavy.
Like carrying 10 shopping bags at once.
Perfect example.
Thank you, I shop professionally.
But small goals feel easy.
And easy feels possible.
Exactly.
Wait, so you're saying small goals are actually stronger?
Yes, because consistency beats intensity.
Ooh, that sounds cool.
Repeat after me. Consistency beats intensity.
One more time slowly. Consistency beats intensity.
Great job.
Speaking practice moment.
Okay, everyone, repeat these sentences after us.
Don't worry about perfection, just speak.
I can start small.
I can improve every day.
Tiny progress is still progress
That one hits emotionally.
because it's true.
Section 2. The power of 5 minutes. Okay, Emily, give me a real example.
Sure, imagine someone wants to improve English.
That's basically everyone watching,
Instead of studying 2 hours,
which sounds painful already.
they study just 5 minutes every day.
Only 5?
Yes,
That sounds too easy.
that's the secret.
Wait, what?
When something feels easy, you actually do it.
Oh,
5 minutes becomes 10,
then 15.
then a habit.
And habits change lives.
Exactly.
You know what's funny?
What?
Sometimes starting is the hardest part.
Yes.
Like going to the gym.
Mm-hmm.
Once you're there, it's okay.
But putting on your shoes feels like climbing Mount Everest.
Especially on Monday.
Monday has a special evil energy.
Facts.
Mini story. I knew a girl named Sarah.
Podcast story time.
She wanted to learn English for years.
But
She kept quitting.
classic.
One day she changed one thing.
What did she do?
She promised herself only 5 minutes.
That's it?
That's it.
And?
6 months later, she was speaking confidently with international friends online.
Whoa.
Not because she studied perfectly.
But because she didn't stop.
Exactly.
Section 3. Your brain loves small wins
Okay, Emily, why do small goals feel so good?
because your brain loves success.
Mine also loves pizza.
That too.
Good.
Every time you complete a small task,
Your brain celebrates.
yes,
Even tiny tasks?
especially tiny tasks.
Wow.
That's why making your bed feels satisfying.
I knew my blanket folding skills were important.
Maybe not heroic,
Wow.
but helpful.
Accepted.
Repeat after me practice. Repeat after me. I can improve slowly.
I do not need perfection.
Small actions create big results.
Again, with confidence.
Small actions create big results.
Section 4, the dangerous perfection trap. Can we talk about perfectionism?
Absolutely.
Because I think many people feel this.
Yes,
Sometimes people don't start because they want everything perfect.
exactly.
Perfect English,
Perfect pronunciation,
perfect confidence,
perfect timing,
perfect notebook,
perfect study plan.
perfect coffee.
Okay, now you're hungry again.
Always.
But perfection is dangerous
Why?
because perfection stops action.
Whoa.
People wait forever.
And never begin.
Exactly.
That's honestly sad.
You know what's better than perfect?
What?
Done.
Ooh.
Messy action is better than perfect dreams.
That line deserves dramatic music.
Editor, please add emotional piano.
And maybe rain sounds.
Too much.
Real life example.
Imagine two people.
Okay.
One studies English perfectly for 3 days.
Then quits.
The other studies 10 minutes daily for 1 year.
Second person wins.
Every time.
Section 5, how to start today. Okay, Emily, practical question.
Let's do it.
How can somebody start today?
Simple.
Step 1, choose one tiny goal. Not 10 goals?
No,
Not a 45-page life transformation plan?
definitely not.
Sad.
Examples. Read one English paragraph. Learn 3 new words. Speak English for 5 minutes. Listen to one podcast episode. Write one sentence.
That actually sounds possible.
Step 2. Make it easy. Very important.
Like super easy?
Yes,
So easy it feels silly?
exactly.
Interesting.
Because hard habits die fast.
That sounds deep.
Step 3. Repeat daily. Even when you don't feel motivated.
Oof.
Especially then.
That's the hard part.
True, but remember, you don't need motivation every day.
Really?
You need systems.
Wow.
Emotional moment. Can I say something honest?
Always.
A lot of people watching this probably feel behind in life.
Yeah.
Maybe they compare themselves to others.
Social media makes that worse.
Definitely.
Everybody online looks successful.
But real life is different.
True.
And if you're listening right now,
This part is important.
you do not need to become a different person overnight.
You just need one small step,
One step today.
then another tomorrow.
That's how real change happens.
Speaking practice, confidence boost.
Okay, everyone, repeat these with confidence.
Even if your pronunciation isn't perfect,
I am improving.
I can grow slowly.
I will not quit.
Again.
I will not quit.
Section 6. Funny reality check.
You know what destroys motivation for me?
What?
Watching productivity videos at 2 a.m.
That is not productive.
Exactly. I watch someone wake up at 4 a.m., drink green juice, meditate on a mountain.
And suddenly you feel bad for eating noodles at midnight.
Yes.
Listen, your life doesn't need to look perfect online.
Thank you.
Progress in real life is usually boring.
Wow. True.
Tiny actions, repeated daily.
Not dramatic movie scenes.
Exactly.
Mini English lesson.
Quick vocabulary moment.
Let's go.
Consistency.
Meaning doing something regularly.
Example, she practices English with consistency.
Next word, habit.
Something you do often.
Like checking your phone every 6 seconds.
Unfortunately, yes.
I feel attacked.
Section 7. The secret nobody talks about. Can I tell you something powerful?
I'm ready.
Confidence comes after action.
Wait.
Most people think, first I become confident, then I start.
Yeah.
But real life works opposite.
Oh.
You start scared.
Then confidence grows.
Exactly.
That actually explains a lot.
Quick role play. Imagine someone speaking English for the first time.
Terrifying.
Their voice shakes.
Their brain stops working.
They forget basic words.
What is my name?
Exactly.
But after practice
They relax.
and improve naturally,
Okay, everyone watching.
we want you to comment below.
What is one small goal you will start today?
Maybe 5 minutes of English, reading daily, exercising, drinking water, sleeping earlier.
Tiny goals matter.
Section 8, a simple daily routine. Emily, can we give viewers a simple routine?
Absolutely.
Easy daily English routine.
Morning. Listen to 5 minutes of English.
While brushing your teeth.
Afternoon. Learn 3 words.
Not 300.
Please no.
Your brain will resign.
Night. Speak 1 sentence in English about your day.
Example, today I was tired but productive.
Perfect.
That routine actually feels realistic.
That's the point.
Longer emotional conversation. You know something?
What?
I think many people secretly believe they are too late.
Yeah,
Too late to learn English. Too late to change. Too late to improve.
but that's not true.
Not at all.
Growth has no expiration date.
Wow, that sounded beautiful.
Thank you.
Write that down, everyone.
Final speaking practice. Okay, final practice together.
Speak loudly and proudly.
I can change my life.
One small step at a time.
I believe in myself.
Last one,
I will keep going.
outro.
And remember,
You do not need giant motivation every day.
you just need small, consistent action.
Tiny goals, tiny steps.
Big transformation.
If this conversation helped you relax and practice English,
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
and share this with a friend who needs encouragement today.
Before we go,
Comment below, what small goal are you starting this week?
we read your comments,
Even the funny ones.
especially the funny ones.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
Keep practicing
Keep smiling.
and keep going.